Gentlemen, tonight we're going to go ahead and try our hand at a Master 5200 series. As you can see, this is definitely Series 5200. Here's the key for it, and it works splendidly. We may or may not need this key. I'm going to try to go after it with the pry bar and the standard hook from a Ghost Pro kit. And let's see what we can do here. We're going to do a light to light moderate tension because these are serrated pins. And let's see what we can accomplish. That's pin 4. Three. 2, click. There's 1. Let's see. Let me see. 5. Increasing tension because of the Nope, that's not open yet. Let's go ahead and start over because I think I screwed up, overset something. It's all right. I'm not exactly professional here. That's 4, 5. Get on that pin. That sounds like it might have been overset, but we'll carry on. It was an overset. Something's not quite working for me tonight, but that's fine. I will see if I can make it work. Overset. Start over. Here we go, again. Okay, there we go. One click, 2 clicks on 3. Ooh, deep vault set. That isn't actually an open. I touched 1, it clicked, and I'm open. This is a rather American 5200. It's actually made by Master Lock, but these are the ones that are actually higher quality ones. I would gut it for you, but I don't have pinning trays or plug followers. I might revisit this lock with a plug tray and with a pin tray and a plug follower later on. But for now, I've beaten it.